Hi, Julia Watts here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to look at a background technique that I've used with some of Andy Skinner's new stamps, some of the watercolour sketches stamps, and I'm calling it the faded wood grain background because to me that's what it looks like. It's very, very simple to do. I mean, these stamps themselves are very, very easy to use, absolutely beautiful. I think everybody's loving them, and you will find them on my website juliawattscrafts.co.uk. So let's crack on and we'll have a go at making the background. So I've already gone ahead and I've stamped onto a piece of the Sentimentally Yours hot pressed watercolour card the Nowhere to Go But Up stamp set from Andy Skinner. This is just one of 8 stamps in the collection. Like I say, they're really easy to use. They are grey rubber, although mine is a little bit dirty, and they all are scrolled and mounted onto cling as well. You just need to pull off the backing that's when it arrives. And I've trimmed this, stamped it onto an A6 piece of card, and I've trimmed it so that it's 5 and what have I trimmed it to? 5.5 by 3 3/4. So then I can do my mats and layers and put it on an A6 card, which is what I've done on this one. Okay, so let's crack on. Very easy to do. Quickest video ever. I'm using Scorched Timber Distress Oxide, which is the one that I've used on here. I love the way that Scorched Timber fades into lots of different colours. It can go really, really light, although on the packaging it looks a lot like black soot. So all we're going to do is just swipe some onto the craft sheet, like so. And then we're going to take some water and we're going to just mist that. And this is my tool, a piece of cardboard. It's only a thin piece of cardboard, so you know, any boxes that come through your door, and we're just going to use that. So we're going to use this to, first of all, to break up the ink and get some on there, and then firmly we're going to just hold on to that and drag this down. This one's quite wet actually, so they're never going to be the same twice. I'm going to try and hold it there. Hopefully you can see. I want it to go straight. This is the difficult thing. Pick up some more. There we go. I think that's probably enough on this one. I'll go a bit more. And that's it. So you can see that this one's got more, it's wetter, so it's got more ink on it. And you leave that to dry. Sometimes you get a little bit of fibres at the top from the cardboard, which is fine. It adds a little bit of texture to it, but you must wait for it to dry before you add any colour to it. And on mine I've just used some Sentimentally Yours watercolour blending brush pens to add colour, but you could add distress pencils, some of the Cosmic Shimmer botanical stains from Sample. You can use whatever you want to, but that is as easy as it is. Obviously, like I say, this one's got more on it. This is peacock feathers. This is a little bit drier, so there's less of a wood grain on that. But that's how simple it is to do. As I said, you'll find the products on my website, juliawattscrafts.co.uk. Do like and subscribe on my YouTube channel. There's loads and loads of techniques and demonstrations on there. And thank you for watching.